Don't miss this rare corner unit with a split floor plan and great views of the Intracoastal. This light, bright and beach oceanfront unit will go quickly. Unit includes 20 ceramic tile laid on the diagonal throughout, impact windows and door walls, new SS appliances, walk-in closets off both bedrooms and remodeled bathrooms. Features of the bathroom/dressing area include pedestal sinks, vanities with quartz countertops and a glass European shower door. This is also one of the few units in the building with a beautiful foyer entrance. Enjoy walking, jogging and biking along Ocean Boulevard just outside your door. Moving ready for you to start enjoying the Palm Beach lifestyle. Shops, golf, dining and more. La Renaissance is nestled between the lake and the ocean. Can you hear the ocean calling you to come home? A 102 is located on the first floor, southwest corner of the building. One of the few units with a beautiful foyer entrance. Warm and inviting living room.
Balcony access from the dining room. New SS range and microwave. Lots of natural light comes in through the large window, making the kitchen nice and bright. You can watch the sunset or the boats go by without leaving your bed. Light, bright and airy. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. Updated pedestal sink in the dressing area of the master bathroom. Plenty of natural light from the two largest windows. Balcony access from the bedroom. Split bedroom floor plan. Plenty of privacy.
Large walk-in closet in this bedroom too. Not one, but two closets for storage in the unit. Updated bath with quartz countertop vanity. walk-in shower with European shower door. Enjoy the evening sunset while you enjoy a glass of wine on the balcony. Relax at the pool just down the hall from your new home. Just a few short steps to the private beach area. Perfect spot overlooking the ocean to enjoy lunch. Lake Worth Pier is an easy walk north on the beach. Private, gated beach access.